Hello guys, welcome to episode today. It is me, Lunachat, and today for this video we are doing slime jump. And yeah, by gamer. I'm Gametron, I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. Let's go here and bow. In this map, you will have to jump on slime and have them bounce you up to the next block. There are 5 levels. 5 levels. I'll probably only get like 2 each day. So it should not be super long. Each level has a different theme, and the levels stay with about the same difficulty. Enjoy! Enjoy it. I hope I do. Rules. No breaking blocks or anything like that. Play on survival. Play on survival. Play on peaceful. No breaking blocks. No placing blocks. No flying hacking. Is there a hole? I don't know. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's one. I'm scared. Oh no. Oh. Okay. I don't think it's gonna bounce me up too high though. Oh no. I did wrong. Oh wait, I could do it again. I was like, no. Okay, I can do this. I could do this. I wish I could mine that. Oh, no. I wonder how long. Oh. I wonder how long it took them to build this place. Yeah, I just wonder. Ah, close. I keep falling off the ladder. But it meant creative, so it didn't technically cheat. Oh, I thought I fell. I swear to gosh, if I fall. Oh gosh. Oh no. No, I'm never gonna make that jump. Oh, I'm supposed to. How am I supposed to do that? Like, it's hard. It's like really, really hard. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna do this. Cause it's not gonna bounce me up. It's hard. Okay. What do I do here? Oh. Get off it. Oh. No. I need to get on this. Oh! No, I almost made it. Oh no, I was supposed to go higher. No. Oh wait. I don't feel like putting peaceful like. Oh. No. be right back whenever I'm done. I finally made it. No cheating, as you can see. It took so long. Actually, it took like two times. What way do I go? This way. Okay. How in the world am I supposed to do this? Uh-oh. How do I go? Oh, wait. How? Okay. It's impossible. How am I supposed to get to your dog? That's impossible. Stairs way. I'm sorry I'm cheating. It's just not gonna happen. Oh. Do that and do that. Did I like wait until I get night? Okay, I'm just gonna go to the next level. Level 2 forest. Ooh. Forest! Oh my gosh. Am I supposed to jump on it? Oh wait, oh my god. Jump, wait. Jump, jump, jump. This is never gonna happen. It's just never gonna happen. I can already tell, because I know my slime things. What? Where do I go? Oh. No, how am I supposed to? Oh wait. Eat this. Oh. Darn it. I thought it was gonna be easy. Darn it. But it is gonna be easy. Oh, I forgot to jump. I forgot to jump. I forgot to. Oh, I didn't do fast enough. Ah. Okay. No, I can't cheat this time. I cannot cheat this time. I have to do it. Oh, crap. No, I can't do this. I cannot do this. I'm gonna go back. And then I'm gonna just turn this way. Go like that. Go like that. And then. Darn it! Okay, fine. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this. I already tried. What? How am I gonna fall from here? Nothing's gonna happen. Is there a pressure plate or something? Where? Oh, there's a button. No. Uh-oh. Okay. What? Where'd it go? What just happened? What? Ow, that hurt a lot. Oh, I actually did it! Yay! I actually did it! That's the first time I ever did this thing. Well, not the first time, but... Are you kidding me? I had to do this again. No, I went to the side a little bit. I'll be right back. I finally made it. No cheats, no nothing. Okay. This is the part where I failed at. Can't fail this time. I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. It's fine. I'm not gonna do it again. It took me too long. Too long. Are you serious? Okay. No, just not. Oh wait, now it's nighttime. I can go sleep. Okay, I did my checkpoint, everything. No. No, wait. I think I'm supposed to go like... I know. Gosh. This is gonna be the longest video ever. They shouldn't put ice. What's in here? Uh-oh. Cool, I guess. They shouldn't put ice. They shouldn't put ice. I'm sorry, I'm cheating. I'm just gonna be bad at it. I'm not really good at it. Oh. See, I can't do it. Oh wait, what the heck is this? Oh. After this, how I'm gonna end the video. I'm sorry, I'm cheating. I have to. I just have to. I thought I saw a chest. I'm the worst parkour in the world. Again, I have to cheat. I'm sorry. I know a failure, so that's why I cheat. Oh my god, there's more. Ouch. Oh my gosh, no. Do we have to do it? Do we have to? I have to. I just have to. Okay. No. Okay. Why me? Are you serious? Oh, I actually did it. Where else do I go now? Oh, I have to go all the way over there. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, I did my skin, but did you see that? Oh my gosh. But that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow when I get back from school. Yeah, but guys, it's gonna be such... Yeah, free. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Bye. Wait. Bye. Wait. Bye. Bye.